The indicator is designed to perform wave analysis, search for harmonic patterns, as well as search for other technical analysis figures. The indicator has the ability to set any number of levels, the signals of the intersection of which can be sent to your mobile device, email, as well as to see using alerts. This zigzag uses the principle of constructing extrema in which any trader will understand very easily. First, the indicator finds the upper and lower peaks. The min period parameter sets the minimum distance between them within which there are no more extreme peaks. The presence of peaks is all that is needed to build the extremums of the zigzag. If the same extremums go in a row, the indicator selects the most extreme of them. Through the use of Fibonacci levels, the indicator can significantly facilitate the search for harmonic patterns and other technical analysis figures. The levels parameter allows you to specify as many levels as you like with any values, as well as the attributes of sending a signal at the crossing for each level separately. If the level is conceived as a signal, then before its value you need to put the character S. All levels should be separated by commas. Various input options for the input parameter are allowed levels. An example of a correct input. Example of freelance input. If you run the indicator with this string, it will process all levels correctly as in the case of the first example. Thus, the indicator is protected from incorrect input. The main thing is to observe the correctness of the character S, the numerical values of the projection, as well as the presence of a separator comma. When crossing the signal levels, marked with the symbol S, in the levels line of the input parameters, there is a signal. To send a signal to an email, mobile device or to an alert, you must enable the flags in the input parameters mail send, notif send or alert, respectively. The next line levels will help find the pattern. It is set in the default indicator. The level of 1.270 was crossed, indicating a possible entry. If notif send is on, the signal will go to the mobile device. You need to check the corresponding point C, which should be between the levels of 0.618 and 0.786, If you have not done this before, and expected to confirm the transition to any of your favorite methods. For especially risky traders, you can enter right now or in advance put a limit NIC between levels 1.270 and 1.618.